Ooh, wow. Jesus. Right. Morning, morning. Right. Wow, I feel tired today. Holy shit. So let's get this on. Gunners won. I know I saw shit. Not bad. Right. Okay, beautiful. Get this up and running, and then we should be good.
Morning.
Good morning, good morning. Right. Let's just get this up and running.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, man. Thursday already, damn. Holy shit, it's gone way too quick. Good morning, everyone. So, let's just get this up. Okay, beautiful. So, we are ready to get started over here. Where's the music? Can I hear the music? Oh, there we go. Okay, so, looking like an interesting day. Let me just get rid of all this analysis, and we'll start fresh again. We'll start fresh, and then we'll continue. Morning, everyone. Morning. Yo, Max, I'm down 5% on my verification. Oof. That's not good, is it? Is that today, or in quite a lot of days? Okay, let's take a look at GJ first. So, GJ, we have a bearish daily candle that closed yesterday, which is okay. Looks like it stopped a little bit. Some of the sells were quite nice later on. Looking like the 4 hours made some supports, which is quite nice to maybe continue bullish. If this next candle, if this next candle can continue, would be kind of nice. Oh my god, right, I need to get a new mouse. This mouse is actually fucking me off really badly now. So yeah, like maybe this 4 hour candle can make a little wick like this, and then continue bullish to the next highs. That could be kind of nice. So looking at that for sure, I have a feeling that could be pretty good. Let's take a look at the hourly time frames. So hourly time frames, looking like it caused a little bit of resistance at 67,789, which is okay. Let's take a look on the lower time frame. So 30-minute, trying to see where level of support could be. Looks like it's holding a level of support right now, 167,240. That looks about right. That's where the resistance is as well. So right around here. Sorry, man, my mouse is like really fucking me off. I have to get a new mouse. So yeah, looking like it's got a minor bit of support there, which is kind of nice. Sells below, you could potentially, but it is very, very close to like the dailies and stuff. So I don't think that would be the best option. Taking a look at buys. Oh wow, we've got like this is like a 50 pip zone to the highs. However, you know, where you're going to take the buys here, it's going to be quite hard. Buys above 67,380 maybe, because that is the current resistance right now and the support. If you got buys above here, you'd have a nice zone to at least this resistance here. Let's take a look how big that zone is. Yeah, 20 pips, that's reasonable. That's not too bad, so that could be pretty nice for sure. So yeah, that could be pretty good. So for me, I mean, sells below could be reasonable as well. But I'll probably want some nice strong candle closures. There's also a support right here as well, so it kind of sucks. Let's take a look. What was that made at? 5 AM? I'm trying to think of where below. Yeah, it's kind of hard, man. So we'll see, man. I don't really see too much with GJ. Maybe buys above, because then we'll be flipping the 4 hour. But I'll probably want this hourly to close, maybe. Or maybe the 30. Yeah, the hourly to close. AJ, I don't have to change anything apart from the 4 hour and the daily flip. It looks like it's still in this range. Oh, the 4 hours is in the same place. and the daily closed bullish. Okay, so I'm not going to really change anything here. It's still rangy. It's still a bit of a crappy zone. So yeah, I think I'm probably going to leave that. I mean, if you want to, if this gets a closure, makes a nice top wick and then drives, could potentially continue down to 94,990. That could be okay. That may not be too bad, so that could be pretty good. We'll see about that. Make sure to run the likes up, guys. We're going to be ready to take some trades this morning. And yeah, so yeah, we'll see with AJ. I'm not going to really change much of it though, but I still want buys above. I mean, potentially sells below here, but the only issue is that the range is a bit crappy. Let's take a look at gold. So gold yesterday, we missed a move, and because I didn't have enough time to fucking put the signal on, but it was so nice, man. Gutted we missed it. Where was it? Where was it? Was it there? Yeah, it was there.
Next, I would like to say something about gold. Look at daily candle. It doesn't have a top wick, which is probably good for later today.
Yep, for sure. If you can see it makes some support at like 1950, then yeah, it could be kind of nice.
Exactly. Just to have that in mind.
Yeah, that's good, man. Yeah, so no top wick on the daily. The daily did close below that resistance though, which kind of sucks, but we do know that it's probably going to make a top wick at least today, so that's pretty good to see. Morning. So yeah, that could be kind of nice. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. 4 hour, there's a little bit of support, which is right on right now. Take a look to the left. Oh shit. Take a look to the left. It's holding that support pretty nicely. Right here, which is okay. Let's take a look at the hourly. So looking like the hourly closed pretty bullish as support, which is kind of nice to see already. Looking like there is a bit of resistance already. Oh shit. Here, 1954, but looks like we're kind of, it's kind of through this area. 1954, because that's where the resistance is here. That's where the support is there. So, yeah, kind of interesting. Buys above would be nice here. 1953 to come towards 1958. That could be reasonable.
Kind of annoying. All the charts are a little bit like lots of little levels. Like they're not clean charts today. They're a little annoying. Yeah. Like I have pretty much an identical line that you've just put there on gold, but yeah, there's like all those other little areas that kind of step on the way up, and it's like, yeah.
Yeah, I've seen that for quite a lot of them, eh? It's a bit shitty.
Yeah.
So I mean, for what I'd won, I think, let's take a look. So the support is, right around here, but yeah, as Scott just said there, the price action's hard. If I'm struggling to find where the supports are, then yeah, it's gonna be pretty hard. But I think buys above 1953 could be pretty good. So
hey, what's up, guys? What's up, squad?
What's up?
I found one pair which is clean. Euro JPY.
Oh wow, today?
Yeah, so clean right now on 1 hour.
One GBTP here, nice. EJ, you gonna get into it? You try it?
No, but just considering. But it looks nice on 1 hour, so clean. No?
Yeah.
It's so bullish.
So I'm gonna watch this hourly candle close, hopefully above 1954, and that would be kind of nice. GJ, I mean, I don't really know where the fuck GJ is going, to be honest with you. So look at the 4 hour. Yeah. I have no idea. Kind of sucks, to be honest. So we'll see. Morning, man. How are you? I'm good.
Much time over.
Hey.
Hello, Finny boy.
Oh. Happening.
It's okay. Not too bad. charts are looking a meh. I'm just still salty about that gold trade yesterday. Fuck's sake.
Same.
Ah,
Fuck.
so nice. Yeah, so people on YouTube, I was writing the signal, but this top wick it made in the first fucking half a second. So I was making it, and then it fucking flipped. I wanted to get in on the low there, stop loss above, like that.
It flipped and ran before 10:02. It was literally still 10:00. Oh well,
Yeah.
whatever time it is. 1 minute in.
Yeah.
Just need to pull the trigger, didn't we?
I would have by myself, but I was helping the guys. If I got that and no one else did that, I wouldn't have felt like a W anyway. So, so yeah, we'll see. I mean, looking like it's really holding 1950, which is kind of nice. So maybe if this candle closes bullish, the next one makes a low wick, take a buy here with stop loss below this area. That would be pretty juicy. Then when it comes up here, you're gonna be up like 60 pips, yeah. So maybe. So what I'm thinking here is a closure like that, potentially. Next one opens up, makes a lower wick like this. Maybe take a buy there, or on the flip, depending on what you want to do. I might try and take a buy like here, if I can see if it's holding a bit of support. Stop loss like below there. Then when it flips in here, you're gonna get a good drive up, and you're gonna make some good dollars. So we'll see. Who did that a couple days ago with the top wick? Was this Session?
I think Sachin gets in a little bit early sometimes.
Yeah. Oh yeah. So yeah, we'll see. For AJ and GJ, I mean, it's kind of hard. This zone is pretty crappy. I mean, it's got 15 pips to the low there, but it's just a bit crappy, really. GJ. 4 hours bearish. The daily is bullish. Yeah, it's kind of hard. Got in gold 1951, still holding. Nice. Yeah, you could be okay. If it wants to break above there, I think you may be okay for sure. So that would be nice. And yeah. How was the football last night, everyone? Oh. I was playing Valheim the whole night as well. It was great. But I was very tired this morning. Would you please explain yesterday's missed trade again? Yeah, so the trade that we wanted to take yesterday was it's a fake out trade. It's when gold always does this, right? So we're bearish. We retrace, we break the previous resistance. So people are all looking for buys. But for me, this happened so many times. So what I did over here was wait until we find some resistance. Where did we find some resistance? 1 second. We found it on the previous level. So this is like a level that I wanted to come into. It found some resistance. We got a nice bearish closure on the 15-minute, and we closed below this level. 1 second, let me just get my other thing. We close back below it, so now we should continue back and fill this candle over here to the left and continue into the range. So after you get that rejection, all you need now is a top wick, and that's what that did over here, and then drive, and then you're going to be good to take some sells. And yeah, so it was just a closure back in the range. You can see it nicely in the 30-minute. If I pick up this, 1 second. That's what we had. So yeah, we're gonna probably do gold simulation today, and I'll try and find some examples of this. So you can see price gets out of the zone. This is the top of the zone, which is here. Rejects, closes back in the zone, and pew! So yeah, but the only issue for us was that we couldn't get in quick enough. And then also we took a sell a little bit later on, and some people got 10 pips, but for me I was trying to hold it on a little longer because my stop was a little bigger. But I got into a sell. Where the fuck was it? Oh, was it there? Yeah, I think I got in here. Stop loss was like above here. TP was down there as well. I got a break even. Went to about 9 pips profit and then came back. GJ broke. Yeah, it's pretty good. Let's take a look at the hourly. Oh, it's just choppy, man. The thing is, though, the 4-hour flip could be nice, and filling them wicks could be pretty decent as well. So, yeah, it could be nice. Could be nice. 141 people in here. Nice. What do you think on the most recent 50-minute close at the previous 15-minute high? What chart is this? GJ? Gold? What you talking about? Oh, that's a nice little push. My issue is resistance right there on the 30-minute, which is 5 pips away. Resistance there, which is 6 pips away. It's just a pretty shit zone. Damn, Arsenal yesterday did put a show. Yeah, I didn't watch. Didn't watch it because I was busy, but yeah, it looked good. Raja failed there yesterday. Yeah, well, Raja just bought the highs. That's why. So yeah, EU fly. Ooh, EU, nice. So yeah, we'll see, man. I think the only thing I've really seen again is gold. I mean, GJ. I just like. Let me just draw this. So you got resistance there. 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 So you can see this level here. This whole area here is crappy to have buys. So. Buys on GJ above 167,800. Yep. Like above here. 1 second. Yeah. It's probably what I'm gonna look for, unless this nice hourly gives me a nice bottom wick. Raja always fails when he comes on stream. Yeah, but the thing is though, yeah, like people are just learning going onto Raja's. Damn. Kind of sucks, but yeah, the thing with Raja is because obviously he's trading so differently to what he used to do. Like it's not good for people learning off him. Like people learning that is not good because he's literally just buying at resistance. He's done it like 6 times in a row now, and he's lost pretty much every single one. I think he's lost like fucking 5 of them and won 1. But it doesn't matter with Raja because 2 hours before he's taking a 30 pip trade on gold, so he doesn't matter, he's up for the day, so he's kind of just fucking him out. But it's like, for people who are learning there, you can't learn that. I'd advise, if you want to learn, go on official lins or controllers, to be honest. Controllers is a lot more disciplined, official lins is a lot more like me. I would just look at this. Raja right now is too impulsive to learn from. London are open 7 AM, right? Well, it depends on where you're from, my man. Yeah, Raja just messing with profits during NY lately. Yeah, exactly. So, but people, if they're learning, they've just been clapped like fucking 7 times out of like 8. Oh my god. So yeah. Max, I've missed every move on GJ this week because of waiting for the closure, the candle, or the flip. Okay, well, have I taken any trades in GJ this week? I don't think I have. I don't think there's been many moves on GJ this week. So maybe you're saying you've missed the moves. The moves probably just haven't been there because they literally haven't been any closures.
What are you doing?
Oh, sorry, I got my little baby here. I'm trying to look after her and bloody trade and do everything all at once. I didn't realize I was unmuted.
Oh, that's cute. I want a fucking baby, man. Right, yeah, so let's take a look. So, start of the week, 19th. I've only taken 2 trades this week. It's been pretty meh. And yeah, I haven't... yeah, I took 1 GJ sell. On the 19th, that is it. So, yeah, I haven't taken any GJ trades either, really, so... They just haven't been there, so there's no point. We took 1 GJ, yeah. Oh, look at AJ flipping. Thing is, though, it's right at that level of support here. It's just crappy. Yeah, AJ's been pretty shit this whole week as well. But it's okay. let's take a look. Hi, first time here with you today. Caught you on Lynn's live trade yesterday. Looking forward to learning and earning with you. Amazing. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, Lynn shouted me out, man. She's too kind. Yeah, we'll see with London. We'll see. But at the moment, nothing's really looking too good because look at GJ, man. GJ's right at this resistance now. I mean, looking like it's pushed up, but people like going, oh, I missed this move here. This is pretty impulsive, right? There's resistance right there, and it's just before the 8 o'clock. I would not be taking that trade. So yeah, we'll see. So wise for Nav's in the building. You took a sell on gold yesterday when the 4 hour and daily were bullish. Yes, because I can do that. I also wanted to take a sell even higher up, but it's because when I was taking the sells, which were, where the fuck were they? Which were here. Okay, so I wanted to get in here, right? There. Okay, so the reason why I wanted to get in there, the 4 hour at the time was like down here at 1950, and the daily was like 1947, 1948. You can see they're not that far away. Okay, so I'm predicting that we've rejected this next zone. We should continue fill this next zone up. Oh my god, this mouse is so fucked. Sorry, I need to get a new mouse. So knowing this, we're gonna pass and flip the daily, which was the 4 hour, which is here, and the daily, which was like here. So it's when the 4 hour and the dailies are close, you know. The overall trend is bearish right now. Gold, it's struggling to continue. The daily candle that I was working on the previous was very, very bearish, this one here. So I was always thinking about sells. Okay, gold always just keeps with the trend. No matter if there's one 4 hour bullish, it'll always fall if it's still bearish. Okay, so knowing that, I was happy. If the 4 hour and the daily were all the way down here, then I wouldn't be taking trades because it's way too bullish. But because they were just there and they were ready to flip, I was happy with it. So there you go. This mouse, why is it so fucked? I just don't even know why. It's just like not right, and I don't know why.
Surely in an IT family home, there is another mouse there somewhere that you could steal.
You'd be surprised. You'd be surprised. My brother couldn't give a fuck about shit like that, and my dad will have one mouse, and he'll only buy a new one if it's broke. So he's only got one.
Fair enough.
So looking like GJ's continue up nice. Yeah, looking like gold is kind of crappy, to be honest with you. I mean, if you got in low here, like 1950, then you could be okay if it breaks them highs there to continue to 1957. But yeah, at the moment, it ain't looking too nice. So just gotta wait a little longer. Yeah. But yeah, I mean, if you're on Rajas, maybe go over to someone else if you're trying to learn. Someone like Official Ins or Controller, really, because Raja right now is not the best to learn from, in my opinion. Anyway, some people may love it, but I don't think so. I just don't think so, man. Let's take a look here. Better to miss than lose. Exactly, man. If you miss some trades, you just gotta learn how you could have got in. Yesterday when I missed that gold trade, there's literally no way I could have got that. So. Watch out for Controller as well, taking profits at 10 pips with 50 pips stop. Well, its profitability is so high that it's kind of it's okay, I suppose. But it hasn't been bad recently. It was just bad at one point, maybe like a month ago, where he would have like a 60 pip stop and close half at 10. That's pretty bad. But now he's you got it a bit tighter now. Not as bad. So that's pretty good. Watch Raja's stream when you got 2 times the speed. I suppose he still talks, he still says stuff, but my issue is the trades he's taking just really aren't what you should be doing. Like yesterday, Raja bought here, bought right here, and for me it was always bearish. But I mean, so people who took that, they instantly lost 20 pips pretty much in the space of like 10 minutes. Where it's like, well, maybe what you could have done here was wait for a closure, maybe a bit higher above for this resistance here, or getting a bit earlier. But yeah, for me, all I was doing was waiting for this 50-minute bearish, and then that was good. But unfortunately, this little shit fucking did it in the first 20 seconds of the candle, made the top wick the first 20 seconds, and just dropped. I was like, oh, this is going to be a stinker. Oh, gold's flipping up over here, 953. Interesting. Kind of nice. How much was stop speed in the previous? 19 pips. Roger added at the high but bought at the very low. Well, yeah, exactly. So his trade before was good. But like his trade in NY was ass. But that's what he's been doing recently for the past like 10 trades. He's already taken a banging trade before, and then his NY one he's just fucking about. But everyone else is like, who joins his stream is fucking getting absolutely bent over right now. So yeah. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait until 954. I think above there could be pretty good. GJ's looking like it's came up. Has it hit 10 pips yet? Not, nearly there. Max, when do you get in on the flip and when do you get in on the break? I've explained this like 15,000 times in the webinars. Just take a look at that, but it's depending on the stop loss. If you can get in on the low with a 10 pip stop loss in the previous, then do that. If you can't do that, then get in on the flip. But I'm pretty sure I did this video like 400 times. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Is it this one?
What up, guys? Hope you're all well. I'm going to be going through a bit of...
1 second. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this goes for it.
Making a top wick to then flip, so kind of always check your hourly. Should look like something like this. No. Okay. And yeah, obviously we talked about this a lot. This is...
Yeah, check that. I think that's perfect entries, and then there's also...
Hope you're well over here. I'm
Yeah.
going to be going through potentially go.
There you go. This is it. Go to here and watch that. When to enter trades.
Hope you're well over here. I'm going to be...
That's what it is, boy. Explains it all for ya. GJ. Yep, GJ's looking nice. Continuing up over here. So it is 8 o'clock right now. Interesting. The hourly closed bullish. The hourly's already broken the highs. Looking like it could continue. The only issue I have is the left hand side here is fucking garbage. So, yeah, maybe the next 50-minute candle closing above here, but then you've got that there. Oh, it's just a crap zone, man. Max London Open. Yes, this is London Open. AJ, ooh, let's look at the 30-minute. 30-minute closed bearish. However, it's still holding that support pretty nicely. So, and it's made a lower wick already. Damn. How much should stop it be? Or like an 8 pip stop? A 16 pip gain? Wouldn't be too bad. Okay, so gold is coming back over here. Oh, the hourly closed bearish. 30-minute also closed bullish, but not really strong. 50-minute closed bearish. Isn't gold making a strong support like the one day where you were in a bit of drawdown then went to TP? Yeah, that's what I'm trying to find how I can get in. The only difference between that and this right now is that the zone was bigger and my hourly candle closed bullish, whereas this one closed bearish. And the 4 hours still, remember the last one still closed bearish, could still flip here and continue down. So not as confident with that move today. It could do something like that. to come down to the next support. So we'll see. But yeah, nothing I see right now, guys. Nothing I see right now. So you just gotta be patient, you know. Gotta be patient. I'm gonna quickly go to the toilet, and then yeah, that person I don't think messaged me on Magic Keys yesterday. So I might do another one today. Magic Keys. Be 1 second, guys. Right. Oh. Okay, AJ coming down. 30-minute time frame also come back down a little bit of support. GJ's looking nasty. Did anyone try and take them impulsive buys? I did tell you not to though, because look, the 30-minute time frame resistance right there, 488. So be careful. Hello, I'm new here. Amazing. Welcome. If you're all new, who's new here today? Who came in new today? There might be quite a lot of new people. Make sure to like the stream, guys. And we'll see. Looking like GJ is rejecting pretty hard now. Interesting. Yeah. Interesting. I am new. Calpreet, you're definitely not new. I know that name. 191 people in here. I mean, maybe AJ, if this candle closes bullish, bearish, makes a nice top wick and then drives, potentially. The zone's not too bad, to be honest, actually. Let's take a look at what the 4 hours saying. Yeah, 4 hours broke the lows of the previous. The daily's bearish as well. That could be interesting. So we'll see. But yeah, man, I'm, looking at GJ right now, do you know if it's going to go up or down, right? If you told Jimmy or Timmy, we always talk about Timmy. If you had to talk about Timmy and say, Timmy, where do you think price is going to go, right? Someone who doesn't know trading. And they go, well, I don't know. It could either go up or down. I don't really know. So if you can't find straight away where you think it's going, then probably leave it alone. Gold pretty nasty as well. What about you, Max? Yeah. Gold's pretty crappy. It's just in this range from 1954 to 1951. So you just gotta wait until it breaks out. Hi, name's Kevin. Yes, I'm new. Oh wow, amazing. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, we've been streaming here since September. So yeah, I'm actually doing Discord, but can't do anything in it. Yeah, go and yeah, if you guys want to join the Discord, make sure to go to server rules and click this box. Yeah, click that box. When you click that, then you'll be a verified user after you've read all this shit, and then you can go in here and put some charts for the stream. I want a lot more people to put in charts for the stream, because this is what's going to help you, I'm telling you. Use it. I used it all the time. Make sure to come into the Discord, or if you want to do it through YouTube, just do it through YouTube. But come in here, take some pictures of your charts, put them in here, losses, wins, or what trades you're looking for, and we're going to go through them. So make sure to go in here and do that for sure. Charts for the stream. And yeah, you mentioned if price is between 4 hour and daily, it's better to stay away. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So with GJ, that's true with that, and also AJ. AJ's alright because AJ's below both of them, so both bearish, which is okay. Yeah. Yeah. Did the daily close bearish in this? Yeah, it did. Oof. Yeah. So sells below. Oh, it's just so annoying because sells below here. There's a support right there. There's wicks there. It's just a crappy area. AJ doesn't look too bad, so we'll see. Are your webinars on Discord? No, webinars are on my mentorship. I have over 50 webinars, but they're all on the mentorship. The mentorship, you get signals, Zoom access, NY private session, and webinars, and simulations, which we're going to be doing today. Simulation sessions. Okay, so yeah, AJ's coming down over here. Let's take a look. So the issue you have is this pushed quite a lot into this zone already. The zone's getting smaller and smaller, right? It's not even 10 pips now, which kind of sucks. But yeah, kind of hard, so I don't think people should be really taking any trades yet. Looking like GJ could be interesting though now. 4 hours breaking the low of the previous. Coming towards the daily flip. Interesting. So we'll see, maybe sells below this area. Let's take a look at the 15. How does this look? Yeah. It's probably going to have to be below there, right? Isn't it? It's 167, 167. Yeah, that looks good. So I'm going to go for sells below that area.
I've got the same. I had the same.
Yeah. I think that looks pretty good, right? Because like on the 30 you could get a bit higher here, but look at these wicks, man. Fuck that. I'd rather just wait until we're below here. And then taking sells down here. I mean, the price action isn't the nicest, I'd say, but to the next support is 32 pips. That's well enough. So yeah, sells below would be nice.
Hopefully it just slows down a little and doesn't blow through.
Yeah. Oh yeah. 203 people in here. Make sure I like the stream up, guys. Let's take a look. Milan, what have you taken?
CJ.
CJ. Jeez. On the hourly? Nice. That top wick was pretty good, right? Right, resistance. Milan's moving some pairs, man. Hello, what is the price of the mentorship program? $49.99 for a month. For 3 months, you can get like 125, and you can pay through crypto, PayPal, direct debit, all that kind of stuff. Yeah, I put crypto back on now, so you can use that. Tia's small support area, daily flip. Wait, what's this? T has small support area near daily flip. Here. Yeah. Nah, I'm happy with these sells below. I think they're gonna be nice.
Gold's still holding that support as well. Keeps coming down, trying it, and then goes back up.
Gold all the way back up. Someone's mic's too loud. Yeah, okay, I'll sort that out. I think I've sorted that out now. Yeah, I need to get a new fucking headset, man. This one's killing me. I'm gonna have to put this pillow on, man. My ears already hurting me. I'm gonna look so funny. Just 1 sec.
Let us try 50s, Maxi boy. What is he doing?
my fucking headphone. My fucking headset. The right ear cups fell off, and I can't get it back on. So my ear's just resting on pure metal, and it's fucking killing. Cause I'm wearing.
I think you need a new headset
wear it all
and a
fucking
new
day.
mouse.
They just both broke at the same fucking time. Oh shit! I'm taking move this.
You need to get Astro A50s, Max. They're the best.
Yeah,
I don't know if they're the best, but they're great.
Yeah, I know they're pretty good. Now I look like a fucking. Let me see what I look like here.
Look like you're on an aeroplane.
Yeah. It works perfectly though. It's an airplane cushion.
Oh, here we go. Gold's out.
Oh. Was the last 4 hour bearish? Oh, this could be kind of nice. Look at the 30-minute. Interesting. Interesting. Let me just move the support to here.
Yeah, I was gonna say that's where mine was.
Yeah.
It was like, I think it's again, it still kind of steps down a little bit, but I think that's the the most cleanest area.
Yeah, interesting. That could be quite nice as well with a nice top wick. That 15's a bit crappy here, but yeah, that's the main one.
I can't take you seriously with that on.
It's fucking. I need it on, man. My ear's fucking killing me. I was playing the game last night and I had to fucking start wearing it. I was like, mate, my ear's actually gonna fall off. Someone new on the stream's gonna come on like, what the fuck is this guy? I'll take a look at that. Now I have to move my seat because I can't move my neck because it'll fucking move it off. So yeah, we'll see. Gold 4 hour flip, yeah, exactly. That's what I'm looking for. Down here, 1950 would be nice. You look like you would be on a plane for 6 hours. Yep. That's what my ears feel like. Fuck. Politics talks 2 times today. Oh shit, yeah, we haven't take a look at news. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. 10 o'clock EU stuff. Wait, where? Oh, there. Okay. Oh, at 4 o'clock and at 6. Well, I couldn't give a shit about it because I am not trading then. Gold weekly and daily heavily bearish. What do you think of sells closure below? Yeah, Jeffers could be good. Very nice. So maybe the 30-minute now, because it's still in that range. Don't get in early here. You will get your cheeks clapped. Just wait. Okay, 30-minute time frame on GJ closed bearish, but yeah, it's nothing I want. I'm just wanting these clean areas. Kyle, look, London trades. What? What you talking about, Willis? Yeah, AJ came all the way back in the zone, then closed back above again. So hell no. So yeah, I'm just waiting. I just want to trade through London this week, man. I haven't had one yet. It's been very, very slow. I think yeah, most of the moves came with NY. Yeah, put some chats in here, boys. Oh, today 8:15, nice. This guy uses controllers fucking things. Okay. Oh my god, this mouse is actually painful. Is that it? Alright, sent me the wrong one again. Whoever that is. So looking like gold is coming down over here. Nice. Very, very nice. 13 minutes left for this 30-minute to close. If this closes, I'm taking sells, boy. So I'm going to get some little signal ready over here. To continue down would be very, very nice. Got the 4 hour with us now. Got the daily with us as well. No, it's looking good. It's looking good.
Hey Max, what do you think GJ for buy to create that support maybe?
Buy where? Now?
Yeah,
Ah, nah, fuck that.
I got a zone on 30 minutes right now to
What,
create that support.
This one here?
Yeah, yeah.
Ah, yeah, bro, it's just choppy, man.
I know. I just
Like,
think to create that support because that's also 4 hours, some kind of.
Nah, like I know what you mean, but I think for me it's is there a valid trade there? No, but like yeah, I know what you mean. You know, this could easily just hold, you know, in this area and then continue up. But it's just crappy. It's just the zone is shit. Like, you know, if you took buys here, you're gonna have troubles there. It's gonna be fucking garbage. And also, the 4 hours not with you, and the daily's about to flip. So, yeah, fuck that. I think you'd be very silly taking them buys right there.
Yeah, just thinking to create some kind of support because overall I'm bullish.
Yeah, but at the moment the 4 hours breaking the lows of the previous, and the hourly is also breaking the lows. So
I can see that. Right.
yeah, you'll see. Maybe in a while, but not yet. I don't think. AJ closes below the range. Yeah, we'll see. Go and charts for stream. Okay. Very nice. Okay, this is gold. Ooh, did you take a buy there? Was that Raj's kind of entries? I think it was. Well, yeah, I mean, you know, you can see pretty easily here how that fucked up, can't you? I mean, can you really see it? Because I can pretty easily. What was wrong with this, guys? Someone tell me.
Hadn't closed above.
Yeah, hand closed above and look to the left.
Yeah.
Wicks everywhere. Yeah.
You know, so it was, yeah, that's textbook. Yeah. If I look down, then I enter on the flip. Yeah, man. So this is the thing. This is the thing, right? This is Raj's entries now, right? You know, you're getting the break of the highs, trying to continue. You're learning like that, but I can't tell you that's good because it isn't. Like, you know, it's not good. You gotta probably wait here for, I mean, a candle to close like that. The next one makes a low wick and then it continues. But even so, like, it's just not nice. So no impulsive. I wait for candle closure. Yeah, there was no closure there, though, was there? Where's the candle closure there? It ain't there, is it? Closure above what? It hasn't closed above anything. Every single one of these resistances here is above that one, so it didn't close above anything. Yeah. So yeah. Oh, he didn't take a trade, I think. Ah, okay, you didn't take it. Ah, right, okay. Good. Good. 9 minutes left, so I'm starting to think how I could enter this trade now. It'll be, you know, this candle closing like this next candle closing like this, open up like this, and then drive, bitch. Stop loss is going to be here, enter here. Bob's your uncle. That's all I'm waiting for, okay? Closure, top wick, drop. Easy. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. But we know most times it does, so we'll see. Right, this is fucking frustrating as shit. I'm gonna make this nicer. Oh, I'm just gonna have to fucking hit my ear again. Oh. Looking like GJ is coming down over here to the daily flip. Look at the daily time frame now. Daily's about to flip, causing a bit of resistance over here. 4 hour support is only 7 pips away. Kind of sucks. However, still looks okay. Maybe to continue. Daily on gold has no top wick. Yeah, that's fine. Maybe later it could make it, but right now we are bearish. What's your average pips for gold, top wicks or bottom wicks? Ah, like for stops. It depends. If I can put it on the previous candle and it's less than, you know, 20 pips, then I'll probably do that. But for most part, the top wicks are like 12, I'd say. Oh, come on, Goldie. Get down, boy. Yeah, so let's take a look at GJ on the hourly. The hourly looks okay as well, you know, and the zone's actually not that bad. So maybe if gold doesn't close, then maybe look at GJ, because that's some pretty nice strong candles here. The only issue is this 4-hour little support there, but that's the kind of main one down there, which is actually 20 pips away, so that's not too bad. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see. 217 people in here. Amazing work, guys. Make sure to like the stream. Hopefully we can get a nice little trade over here. If not, then that's okay as well. Because market conditions today are not the best, right? You got to be able to realize that. What I've learned, especially recently as well, is if they're bad, just fucking leave it. Just leave your trades. Just wait until the wait until price gets better, and then you're going to take another 6-7% wins instead of just fucking ranging. So I think what happens is, right, is you'll have like days like this. You've already had a beautiful week, you know, you've made quite a lot of money, and then today you lose all your profits, and then you break even. I'm pretty sure if I had to round up what the break even stage was, that's it. You're really good at trading, but that you don't know when to stop trading in a bad week or a bad day. So now, like, a lot of my members, I'm like, look, there's nothing here, so just leave it, you know? And that means when you're looking at your sheet and how many winners you had and stuff like that, it doesn't have, you know, every so often a little shitty L for no reason, you know? It's just profits, profits, profits. Like, the, like, look, make sure, like, you know, if I was fucking about this week, because this week hasn't been the best, and I take a couple of L's here, you know, I've just wasted a load of time with a load of L's, whereas now I'm still up like 17-16% this month, and I'm chilling, you know. All I've got to do is just wait patiently.
No position is a good position.
Oh yeah. Exactly. It's the people that try and jump in that seem to lose half their money, so yeah. I one time was up like 4% with the controller, then I lost one trade risking 1%, ended up break even for the week because the stop loss was 40 pips. Well, that's the thing with controller stop sometimes. So you got to be able to have a lot of winners. Whereas for me, you know, like, I don't need to have as many winners as controller because my stops are small. Like, much smaller. Like, my average stop this month has been what, like 9 pips, 8 pips. So I've had a -11, a -3, a -6, and a -10. And a -10 was on, yeah. Yeah, so it's not a lot at all. Also, another thing here, I love showing this as well because look, right, start of the month, you know, some people maybe starting trading may have this. Look at this, right, 3 losses in a row. Even though I managed them nicely, it was actually less than 2 losses, like in pip wise. That could really affect you and make you emotional and try and take some more trades, and then you might lose some more. But you know, I took my calm. I looked at what went wrong or how I could have maybe done this a little bit better, and there you go. I get like a fucking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 win streak, all 10 pips and above, pretty much, apart from AJ. So don't get butthurt about, you know, losses. It's about the total. You know, doing the process 1,000 times. Don't just think about the last 3 trades. Think about the last, you know, 20 trades or whatever. Small stop loss and win rate equals stop loss mentorship. Exactly. And high win rate. Exactly. Exactly, boy. I understand his stops and they make sense, but the drawdown, yeah, man. I mean, to be honest with you, I mean, you know, the thing is, what you don't have to copy controller exactly, right? Most of controller's moves you can get with a smaller stop. I see it all the time. He focuses on the hourly, doesn't he? Quite a lot. The hourly and the 30. If you just drop down to the 15 and then you can look to manage risk, it's probably going to work as well. Because if you look at controller's trades in the past month or 2 months. Most of his winners hit TP1 in the space of what, 3 minutes, 4 minutes? So if it doesn't do that, he's probably going to have to take some drawdown, or quite a lot of drawdown. So that's when you can start to look at the 50 and go, you know what, if it breaks the previous high, I'm just going to get out. And then you've just taken an 8 pip loss, and you're like, well, that's great. And then, you know, later on, controller, it might fuck up even more, and the controller loses 27 pips, which he's happy with. But you're like, oh, well, I only lost like 9, so I've managed that nicely. You know, you can always, you know, adapt people's styles. I don't know why people just try and keep on copying one person completely. Why don't you just change it up? Half the time I see controllers entries and I know you can use like the 30 or the 15 if you want to manage risk, so, and it'll still work perfectly. So I just do that if you don't like his stops, you know. Like for example, I mean, let's just take a look for an example. Yeah, let's just do this, right, hypothetically. So he takes a sell here, right? Okay, 30-minute time frame. He's got his stops all the way up here, so 34 pips, right? So you're like, oh, 34 pips is pretty fucked for me. So why don't you just close 50% maybe here, and then that means you've got a 20 pip stop, or you could just close full when you exceed the current high, and there you go. Now you've got a 13 pip stop or 11 pip stop. So yeah. Rip quality, yeah, now 1 second. It'll come back. Kyle, oh my god, I'm gonna delete this Kyle guy. He's fucking annoying me as fuck. Someone block this motherfucker. This Kyle's got like 1 brain cell. He's fucking pissing me off. It'll be back, don't worry, it's back now. Jesus Christ, everyone shits themselves. I know it's back to normal. Remember, I can see it as well. So when it starts to like fart, I can see it. So yeah. Ooh, look what gold did over here. Came back to 1950 again. Was a 5-minute entry? Oh, there was. That was pretty nice.
That was also tapping to daily support.
Yeah. Oh, that was quite nice. How much would the stops be in there? Ah, fuck's sake. That was pretty nice. Ah, that'd have been so tasty, man. Do you own analysis and decide on what you see in the charts? I sometimes don't follow the trades discussed here. Sometimes I'm glad I didn't follow, and sometimes I saw a winning trade pass me. But it's all good because I know that in the long term I'm profitable. Exactly, yeah. Wow, so if you got an entry here, which is what I would have probably looked for, like this, damn, that could be a really, really solid entry to hold on. I'm not gonna lie. Look at that. Oh, mate, this 15 minutes making a low wick. Mate, I might try and get in. Let's look at the 30. If this pushes back down over here, I may try and take a buy with stop loss below. Risking 15 pips. To be honest with you, I may miss it, unfortunately. Can't make a low wick first before you blast. Probably gonna miss this, but hey ho, we'll just see. Yeah, it's probably gone. No. Oh, that was such a nice 5-minute closure. Back above, strong closure above the support, showing that it's holding that level really nicely. Yeah, that was nice. Let's take a look at the 30. 30 is still bearish though, but yeah, look at the hourlies now. Look how many times it's wicked into this area. 1950 is a huge support. So if you can get into a trade here, damn man, you could be pretty good to continue. And obviously, all you got to do here is just put stop loss to break even and just hope it could continue. Full margin and gold, boys. Yeah. If it gets another pull back to like 1951, like here, I may try it because my stop can be below the zone, which is like 16 pips. Yes.
Here we go, pulling back.
Yeah, boy. 15? Yeah. Okay, nice. Just pushing pretty hard. Let's just look at the 5 minutes. Oh. Did it hit 151? Oh, it did as well. No! Yeah, I'm gonna go for it. I'm buying now. It's a bit of a risky one again, just like that trade I did before.
You're entering on the flip or on
I've
the
just
high?
got in. I got in right now. Because I want the stop to be 15 pips in the low. So yeah, we'll see. We will see. Oh my god! Who the fuck is that? Was it Finn? Yeah, it is. If you want to get in a bit of a less stressful, then I'd probably wait until it flips again. Right, who the fuck is this? Oh, that's fucking Barry Sims again. There we go. So yeah. Let's take a look at the 30-minute. Oof, 30 minutes pretty rough. Yeah, maybe did a bit too spontaneously over here, but we'll see. Let's take a look at the 5s. Yeah, 5 minute came out of nowhere. We'll see though. As long as it respects this level over here, you should be okay. Let's take a look. Is it a buy stop? No. So I mean, if you haven't got in yet, which probably most of you haven't, I'd get in on the 15-minute flip. So I'd get in like 1952. How much would that stop be? 1 second. Yeah, that's a 20 pip stop. I'd get in on the 15 flip. Let me just edit this then. 1 second. $9.52. There you go. Yeah. So I think if you're getting that 15-minute flip over here, then that's beautiful because it's rejected it for like the third, fourth time. I just got in a bit early. Are you in a trade? Not yet or not? Yes, but I'm just saying for people in the mentorship for the signal, they can get in on the flip if they want.
Oh, we might be coming back, baby.
Have I actually done TPs? No, I haven't. We just sort this out.
If this flips, Max, do you think you might move your stop loss to this low that it's made, or have you got any plans for that?
Yeah, I'd probably be happy with that. Yeah, boy. So we'll see. Riskier entry, like I said, 15,000 times, but you know, if you're happy to take it, as long as that holds, I'm happy to risk 16 pips, because if this continues here, I'm gonna have a nice little stinking trade on.
Honestly, for me, if this succeeds the current high, that'll be like more than 10 pips, and I will probably go on a break even.
Yeah.
not even moving to current lows, just break even.
Yeah. Still risky though, because the 30-minute didn't close bullish, so I still think it's risky, but for me it's holding this level pretty nicely. So if I take this loss, I don't really give a shit. 16 pips. We got a 45 pip trade in gold a couple days ago, so I'm not really asked. Also on AJ, same kind of thing on AJ, holding support over here again. Let's take a look at the 30-minute. 30-minute still bearish. Yeah, it's pretty much the same as gold. Could hold that level for sure.
Well,
so yeah.
Flip, baby, flip.
Someone is about to get clapped. Oh, Vinny over here. Vinny doesn't trust the process. Nah, to be fair, no, this is an aggressive entry, but as I say, I've done this twice now. I did it a couple days ago and made 45 pips, so I'm happy to take it. When it comes to these highs here or here, I'm just gonna put break even, see how far it can push. How much is this zone? Yeah, it's already like 20 pips, already a 1-to-1, so well, more than a 1-to-1, sorry. Would good TP be the daily flip? Yeah, if it breaks that level there, yeah. I put a break even, nice. I'm only up 4 pips, so I do not get. Trades like this, you just got to give it some more time.
I moved my stop loss to current low.
Yeah. Reasonable. It's like 10 pips. That's not bad at all on gold. Fuck me. How do you spot 4-hour flip? You go on the 4-hour time frame and you look at the flip. You get me. Let's take a look at the 5 minutes. Yeah. I think this example of this compared to the other one is not as good because the 4 hour isn't with us, sorry, the trend isn't. But anyway, I just think it's holding that level and we can come to 1953. If not, then I'm gonna take a little L over here. GJ down again. Down bad, boy. Yeah. Do most of your trades go 1-to-1? Yeah, pretty much all of them. Yeah. Oh, AJ's flipping up over here. Very nice. Need to break that previous 15-minute? Yeah. Sure do. Six minutes left for this 15. I really want this candle to close bullish. But as I say, this is a one where it is just going to hit your stop if it can't continue. But I just like the level it's holding, so we'll see.
I think this stops make sense in that, as much as obviously I think it was Vincent that he was reducing risk. Was it Vincent that did current candle stops?
Yeah.
The good thing is about where you're, which is good obviously if you're wanting to reduce risk. Your stops though, other than that one wick across to the very left hand side, if it breaks your level, well obviously it's going down, whereas it kind of gives it enough room to be able to still
back
do
up
something.
And stuff. Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly. TP1 signal is 20 pips. Nah, I changed it now. It's 10 pips if you want. But yeah, we'll see. Let's take a look then at some of the pairs. GJ's flipping all the way back up as well. Shit. Look at that. What do you think about buy and sell stops, breaking zones, entries? Raja does that. You can only do that in NY, and still it's very risky. Don't do that through London. You're going to get your asses clapped. Just wait for closure. Oh, AJ was nice. AJ was very, very nice. Look at that rejection.
Also lost.
I know. I don't want that, man. I need them fucking cells to come down so gold can pump, boy. Let's take a look over here.
Where have you got your stop loss still, Max? Have you still got it on the lows?
Yeah. 1949.6. Or 5, yeah. Just holding it again, you know. We did this last time, you know. If it hits it, it hits it. If not, you know, the risk to reward on it's going to be pretty nice if you continue. But I'm happy taking that L. It's only 1.2%. Gold about to drop. Yeah, I mean, if it breaks that low, it's going to drop for sure. So we'll see. We'll see. AJ still coming up. Very, very nice. Very, very nicely. Did it ever flip that 15-minute? Did people actually get in?
Yeah, it did. Yeah.
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 fair, we'll see. Let's take a look at GJ. Yeah, coming back up over here. Damn! They're all coming back up, boy. Come on, gold. Fucking get pushing, you cunt. I'm out on gold. Nice. I did tell you though. I'd really advise not managing risk on these trades. You just gotta hold your stop.
Oh, here we go. Come on.
You gotta hold your stop, man. As long as it doesn't break that wick, it can fuck about in here as much as it wants. I don't care. It's just, I know if it breaks that low, then I'm out. If it doesn't, I'm still good.
Come on. Just give us a... Oh, yes. Come on. You know you want to go back up, baby.
How does controller sit on live streams for 4 hours and has no trades? Doesn't he get bored? Well, nah, he's got a good group of lads there, and you know, he has fun on the stream. There's like 1,000 people on there, mate. I'll be buzzing. I'd sit on for 4 hours if I had 1,000 people on. It'll happen.
We needed 15 flip.
Yeah, bitch.
Rex, I just noticed you have your take profit on gold, third one at 1980.
Oh, did it?
Isn't
Sorry,
that
I
bit
thought
ambitious?
it said 19. Oh, sorry. 1 second.
I was just looking at it.
This
If
is
15
your
closes
boy.
bullish, you think we're good, Maxi?
Huh?
If this bit
Yeah.
15 closes bullish, you reckon we're good?
Yeah.
And then will you go stop loss to this low, or are you just going to hold it for the whole time now?
I'm probably just gonna hold it the whole time, to be honest. We'll see. Look at that. It's just holding it so nicely. I mean, probably you could move your stop below there, to be honest. But yeah.
Oh, it's going to close bullish. Oh,
I told you.
do it. Do it, baby. I wish I waited like an extra 30 seconds. I could have gotten in at a way better price.
Yeah. I know. Doo-doo. I just got in, nice, yeah. We'll see, we'll see. 5 minutes still holding that level nicely, so. $50 okay. I'm still happy with this. I'm still gonna hold it on. If you guys don't like it though and you're at entry, then just take it off, you know? If you're not happy with it. I'm just liking how it's still holding that level, but you know, 30 minutes still on, can still come back down, so whatever you guys want.
Next, look at GJ.
Oof. 15 closed doji. Oh my god, it came all the way back down. That's
Hopefully it
good
goes
though.
down, then gold just
I mean,
comes flying up.
yeah, that's what I'm saying. just wondering, shouldn't gold be a sell? Yeah, guys, this gold trade has nothing to do with the trend. For me, it's just because it's holding the support nicely, and the daily has no top wick, and I know the daily is going to make probably a top wick today, so the probability that we come to that level at some point is going to be pretty high, and we're holding this level which is at daily support, so I'm risking it. Okay, I'm risking it for 16 pips to potentially get a gain of 60, so that's why I'm taking it. Yes, I know the screen's fucking up again. You can see it, but
Max,
that's why
I entered gold lately. When you said wait for the flip, I didn't. I just hit buy and I got 11.
Oh shit, you got in a lot earlier?
1950.77.
Oh, nice. Very nice.
I got break even and 11 pips waiting for a runner.
Very nice.
And also EJ.
And also AJ. Nice. Nice, brother.
Yeah, now hit my break even. Almost.
Yeah.
Oh, GJ,
Yeah,
stop going up.
it's a shame that 15 minute closed refresh. Look at the 5 minute.
Come on, bounce off this support. Fly up.
See, like for me here, I'm literally chilling, man. If this hits, I could not give a less of a shit because it is a riskier end. It's not like an easy one where we hold it, runs to TP in the first 2 minutes. I'm holding it knowing that it could hit it pretty easily. So, and if it doesn't, it doesn't, and I'm gonna get a nice fucking good RR. If it does, then great, you know. But I'm just not asked. Boys with 9 AM volume, I feel it. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. I think people don't like maybe fund it and stuff, then take it off if you're not feeling happy with it. It's pretty much an entry, so do what you gotta do.
It's funded, it's not my money.
You what?
I'm just joking. I said it's funded, not my money.
Yeah, so people don't know maybe on YouTube that I do risk it's percentage wise right now on gold, so 1.2% I risked on this. 1.2. So if this breaks over here, yeah, I mean, sells could come in over here on 1950, 1946. I think that's the same thing happened yesterday, that last time as well. I said if it breaks this low, it's going to continue down, which could be interesting. Coming down to that level over here. Yeah, my stop is here. Do. Oh, GJ's looking fucking disgusting. GJ's looking nasty. Stop's way too big for me on that previous low. Yeah, he might have gone in a bit too high there, Connor. Oh, mate, it's still holding it, man. It's still fucking holding it.
Incredible.
That fucking 1 minute closure. We'll see. I don't like what I see in this session. I'm gone. Yeah, man. Pretty bad on GJ, AJ for sure. And gold's pretty hard. Yeah. Coming towards the end of the hourly in the next 10 minutes. Interesting. Let's see. Look at the hourly here. Yeah. EJ was clean and beautiful. Yeah, I heard that was actually pretty good this morning. Very nice. EJ, everyone's asking for EJ. Send me a chart. I'll take a look. Send me a chart.
I send you a chart, Max, on setup.
Ah, yeah. Oh, wow.
See?
Yeah. Shit, did that go...
Now got 22 pips. Now went 22 pips.
Did you get in right
Above
there?
background. Yeah, on a flip on 3 minutes.
Nice. Pretty nice, boy.
Milan moves the market.
Last highs were back in 2015 for AJ. Ooh, EJ, wow. Yeah, that's like GJ and AJ as well. It's like 2016. Pretty mad. Pretty mad, bro. So
Just feel sorry because they close at 11 pips EJ, but it's all right.
Still, how much are you up for the day then? You've done quite well today. You've taken a lot of trades.
Only 1% because not it's not fixed loss size.
Yeah.
I'm not messing with it.
Yeah.
So many trades.
257 people in here. Sheesh. Very nice. So yeah, we'll see. I mean, still holding that level. The 4 hours bearish. All the things are bearish. But for me, I'm just holding this level of support because the daily has no top wick and it's a daily support. So I'm happy losing this 1%, 1.2%. So yeah, we'll see. 91 likes. Would you say that prop firms like FTMO is good passive income besides full-time job? Yeah, but FT, it's hard. It's not easy. Doing challenges is hard. You got some more pressures that you would if you just did it with your own money. So you got to take that into account. So coming back down over here, yeah, this is not looking too good now. Not looking too good. Melting points. Oh my god. Oh, sorry. There we go. Let's take a look. GJ, AJ still continuing up, but they're taking a while, man. Taking a while, boy. Yeah. Coming back down over here. Interesting. We'll see. It's gonna close below the 30 res. Yeah, if it closes below there, then I'm taking it off. Hell no. Do you get me? Do you get me? If it closes below here, I'm gonna take that motherfucker off for sure.
The GG was our.
Yeah, 1 minute. 1 minute it's doing his thing.
Yeah, boy. Look at that. Look at that shit. It's holding it. So now, I mean, you could put your stop probably here, and you're gonna be okay. But we'll see. We'll see, man.
Like, I had my stop there, and I got fucking popped.
Yeah, well now though, now how many times has it tapped it? Fucking quite a lot of times.
Oh well.
So 16, then I can go here 13. Nah, I gotta wait a little bit longer. 1950.5 holding big time. Yeah, exactly. Well, that's what I saw. If it hits it, it hits it. But that's what I just see.
I was talking about this GJ Max.
Oh yeah.
About that creating that support. Now it's going to create that support on 30 minutes.
I know, but bro, the zone is ass.
I know.
Look at that. It's fucking shit. The zone is garb. The zone is straight garbage. Take a look over here. Got 10 pips in AJ. Oh, nice. Nice work, boy. Let's take a look at that. Oh, yeah. See, that was probably nicer than GJ because the zone wasn't as bad, and also nice low wick here, rejecting like 3 low wicks, and then this one making a low wick and then flipping. I probably would have got in like there. How much is that stop? Yeah, 7 pip stop. That's pretty good. That's pretty nice, boy. If I'm profitable and I make 15 to 10% a month, is it possible to make money in prop firm and make a living? Well, yeah, clearly. 10 to 50%, yes. But are you risking 1% per trade? If you're risking like 10 and then only, having quite a bad month, then is it the best? Probably not. So 4 minutes left. We'll see. Looking like it may not hold though, which is fine. And then sells will be coming on Goldie. But yeah, I mean the other pairs. I mean the only thing I could say, the other trade you could take was probably AJ here, which is pretty nice. Worked very, very nicely, I think. What's gold doing? Gold's coming down to that level over here, so yeah, we'll have to see. If it breaks that low, then I'm out. And the daily flip will probably happen later on. Later on.
Cells might look alright in a second.
You what?
The cells might actually look alright in a second.
Yeah. I might jump in the cells after.
The old switcheroo.
Switch it around, boy.
Bugger. It was worth a shot. But...
Exactly. For 60 pip gain, bro, I was gonna hold that shit on as well. Do you only trade?
Like it.
Huh?
Sorry, I thought that all good.
Do you only trade gold, GJ, and AJ? Yes. AJ is the new pair that we introduced, and it's pretty. It's not bad. It's not bad. We tried it in like September, I think, or January. There's one time that we tried it and it was actually much harder.
Yeah, September was rubbish.
But yeah, it's been nice recently, man. Very, very nice. Yo, Max, we bought EJ 15 pips. Nice. EJ. I think AJ's the smoothest of them all. Yeah, recently anyway, for sure. For sure. Oh my god, if this holds, holy shit. I doubt it though now, but anyway, we'll see.
One minute. Looks very interesting in this part of the morning. Jesus fucking Christ.
No, don't break that low.
Yes, close below. Let's get some cells, baby.
Yeah.
Oh, it's going to close right on support. Oh, no, it's not. It's going to close below. Oh, yes.
Sells inbound on gold.
Come on, wake up.
This is at 9 o'clock. Oh, yeah, it's close below. Shit. I'm still in this fucking buy, though, but holy shit. That was going to work. Yeah, I'd go for sells.
Don't run off.
Beautiful. Mine's still in. Oh my god. I just wanted to get off now. So yes, right, it's out now. Beautiful. That's a shame. It was worth it. It was worth it.
Yeah, this just runs off too.
Yeah. That second entry. Oof. Getting on the lows there. The only issue is where we just stop speed. Probably use stick like a 5 minute. Oh, 5 minute stops are okay. 12 pips. Yeah, beautiful. Let's take a look at the 30 minute. Yeah, it should come down now to 1946. Downtown, boy. Yeah, 1946 would be tasty. Let's take a look at the 5 minute. Yeah, I'm trying to think of ways to get in over here. Not yet. Because now the 4 hours break coming past that little bit of hourly support over here. Very nice. Shame that that top wick wasn't that heavy, but I mean it was playing around here for a while, so that ain't too bad. So we'll see. Did you watch the games last night? Oh my god, yeah, holy shit. Holy smokes. Told you, no, trust me, I know the cells were coming here if it closed below, which it did, so I already know as well. For me though, I was happy taking that entry. I was wanting to have a nice one. But now, I mean, we should continue down. 1946 would be pretty good, so we'll see. So we'll see. That was the greatest. Yeah, you gotta pick your entries of how to get in over here. It's gonna be interesting. We'll see. Could you put a sell stop under the zone, or was it too risky? It's all about your stop. Where's your stop gonna be? How much would his stop just be right now? Yeah, kind of beefy. Yeah, man, it's just where your stop's gonna be. You have to use the 5-minute stops. This looks like it's gonna run. If you want to go for impulse sells, man, could whip pretty nicely soon. Let's take a look at the 30. Yeah, I'm watching the 5-minute here. If you got in right now, where could your stops be? Like 13 pips in the high? Should you wait for 30 to close? No, you shouldn't, because the 30's already closed below. What you should wait for now is probably a little top wick over here again. 1 minute celery. Look at this is gonna fly. Watch this. I mean, if you get in now, sells below, how much would stops be? Yeah, 15 pip stops. I may try and take this. Beautiful. Because it was also the start of the hour, you know, it's got to make a little bit of a top wick to then continue further down. That's
Looks
so
very clean on the 4 hour.
Huh?
Looks very clean on the 4 hour. Made a top
Yeah.
wick and then has a clean wick to come down.
I'm just gonna get in now. Fuck it. Beautiful. Okay, so I just got in there. 1 second. I'm gonna have it in the previous zone. Bit of a risky one, but I think it's worth it. Beautiful work. Okay. Very, very nice. We'll see how far this bitch can push. But for me, it's going to be a nice target in 1946, so we'll see. We will see. Ah, no, back in the chat. No, fuck off. Put euros on timeout. There we go. Why does this candle look so beefy? There we go. Okay, beautiful. So coming down over here, clean candles to 1946. You get a nice little drive down now. Yeah, after I saw that 1 minute flip in here, I was like, nah, I'm gonna get in over here. Beautiful work. I'm up 7 pips already, 8 pips, 10 pips. Very, very nice. I'm still gonna hold it on for time being, I think. We'll see how far we can go. Have we hit 046 yet? Nearly. Why is my...
Impulsive, man. Huh?
Well, because my stops, I knew it was gonna drive down. I'm not fucking missing this. So, yeah.
Call him Raja.
Mr. Raja entry.
Right, TP1 hit. Woohoo! Okay, so 16 pips over. Sorry, not 16 pips. 20 pips, 12 pips. I'm gonna go stop loss to break even. Hopefully, you can continue. So risk-free trade now. Beautiful. So I'm actually going to close here because that is going to be the same amount as what I lost on the other trade. So I'm going to be breaking even. Very nice. Let's take a look at the 5 minute. Here we go. There we go. Beautiful. Right. I'm going to close now, guys. 80% at 25 pips. Beautiful.
46.50 incoming.
Jeez, very nice. So yeah, well done to people who caught that with me. That was pretty spontaneous, but I just knew it was going to drop there, and I'm not fucking missing that. So when that minute candle flipped, I'm fucking getting in that with a 5-minute stop loss above the current candle.
How you wrote that fast, that signal? How you wrote that fast?
I copied the other one and changed the number by 2 minutes. I was ready for it. Oh, I was just checking just in case it said fucking buy stuff. Beautiful work. So I just closed 80. I'm just going to close the full thing here. 20 pips. Nice. Beautiful. So let's just update over here. Damn, I should have just waited for them sells. But those buys as well, still reasonable. So 1 win there and 1 loss. Very nice. So quite an aggro day. Gold sells. Finny boy, did you get into them cells eventually? Are you too much of a pussy?
I was too slow.
Ah, Finny boy. But you had the little pull up. That's when I got in.
Yeah, I was looking at it and I was like, and then boom.
Yeah.
There's plenty of time.
Did you get it, Scott?
Yeah, I wasn't like, yeah.
Did you get it, Scott?
Didn't.
No, I haven't taken any trades this evening. I had my little one. I'm just sitting. It's too hard to. So, but yeah, it did. I did like them. I liked both, to be honest.
Yeah, the first one is I always tell people when we take it, you know, it's gonna hit your stop. If it hits your stop, we're gonna take the sell, so you can just get your money back. It's just at that key level, isn't it?
I would have liked the top wick on this candle to have opened a bit nicer, but in general, I thought it was alright.
Yeah. Well, the reason why I didn't really mind too much about the no top wick for this one was because of how strong this candle was. And that we'd been fucking about here for a while. And I know that because I was in the trade. So then when we reversed, wait 1 second. Gold plus 25. Let me just put this. And then gold minus. It goes at minus 16. And there you go. Beautiful. It's actually made nearly 9 pips. Fucking great. So there we go. I mean, there's 2 examples for this one. I'll show you what this trade was about on Instagram, just the one that I took before. The only difference was that the 4 hour was kind of bearish in this one, and there was no way of flipping. So that's probably where I went wrong. Let's take a look though. I'll just show you what I meant by the other one. And then obviously when we closed below, I was like, right, the zone's beautiful. So very nice. So yeah, that's also a really good thing about that area. If gold runs back up there, I'm gonna make a shitload of money. Okay. If it doesn't and we close below, the zone below is bloody gorgeous as well. So so what I meant was this trade, right? Look. So can you see? 1 second. Can you see the area here is
the only issue is
the area here is pretty crap, just like before. But look what we're doing. We're getting rejection candles just like we were doing before. Right at a very strong level of support.
Oh, here 20 pip.
Oh, here we go.
So can you see it? It's not the nicest looking. It's just a very, very good support. So if it holds it,
man. This could be it. Telling you, man. Too many. I still get a nice YouTube. Maybe you have.
You get a nice stinking trade because it's right at support, so it reacts off it. So that's what I was looking for today. The only issue was the 4 hour was pretty much against me. But obviously, when we get a closure below support, we've got clean candles to the left over here to continue down. So there you go. There's the second trade. So if you guys didn't get both of them, you have now. So there you go. Let's take a look at some over here. Nice recovery. Yeah, let's take a look. Closed half early. Bros, can you explain the entry? Yeah, I'll take a look. Yeah, I didn't take either of them gold trades. Nice, Craigie boy. 4 pips, 17 pips. 17. Yeah. Okay, Fahad, you're closing way too early. Why did you close at 4 pips? Let it run. Look how clean the wicks are. Give some confidence in your trade, yeah? Give some confidence. Like closing at 4 pips on gold is nothing. You gotta let it push. Look at the clean candle. I knew that we were gonna mimic this candle here. Oh, shit, 1 second. Oh my fucking god, this mouse. Holy shit. This candle here, okay? we're gonna mimic something like that. Oh my god, this fucking mouse. And that's what we did. Okay. Watch out for the daily support. 1946.5. Yep, exactly. Well, 1949 was the one that I was scared about, and that's why I took buys on it, because we were holding it. But yeah, not when we closed below there was nice. So for me, another thing as well, if you've got such a strong candle here and you're worrying about stops, like where stops going to be, because if you got in on the high here, it's 18 pips isn't too bad, to be honest. But even if you missed it, just wait until you get some nice 5 minutes, and then you can put it over some 5-minute candles. So I risked about 12 pips over here. Calling it a session break even. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, I'm just above break even. My commissions stuff, I'm probably up about 6 pips. So, and that's what you got to do. Let's take a look at GJ and AJ. So yeah, AJ over here, that buy was pretty nice as well. 18 pips up, pretty good, pretty nice. But GJ now, I mean, it's looking like it's making. You can see over here on the big scale of things what we're doing. You know, prices came down, prices came up, made a support to then potentially continue back bullish. It's just where do you want to get in? That's the thing. Time to take some profits on gold sell. Beautiful, man. When you're doing another Magic Keys giveaway in a second. That 30-minute close with no bottom wick and the next open with a top wick, which was the reasoning behind entering this trade. Keen to know, because how strong the candle was here. And I know from personal experience that we were we were fucking about in this area for such a long time. Once we get the drive, why would it then also make another top wick here to then drive down? Because it's already been fucking around this area for so long. The last couple of minutes of that candle, we closed below, and then this one obviously gets the drive. So yeah, that's how you got to do it, man. So there we go. So risked like 12 pips in this, close at 25, so pretty happy with that one. 2-to-1 risk to reward for a nice little push. And then the other one I risked 16 pips, so pretty good. Hi buddy, I like your trade. Do you know Raja? Yes, I know Mr. Raja. I learned from Raja back in the day. Back in the days. So yeah, now I mean, looking pretty good. But as someone just said there on gold, you know, it is right at these wicks on the daily. I still think 1949. I still think it's gonna make a top wick, by the way. So if you want to be cheeky again and try and find an extra level of support, it's probably gonna be down here, 1946. That would be pretty nice to maybe continue later on. Yeah, Manu, do you just hear that, what I just said there before? Because the candle was so strong closing down, and we messed about in this area for so long. Why now would it need a massive top wick when it's already been doing that for the past 30 minutes there? So I was happy with the strong closure, and I was happy with the drop, so yeah. Do you still have 20% on? No, I closed full at 25 pips. Just because of the fact it's, you know, it's only got a very small amount to get to this low, and I closed at 25 there. It's only like another 5 pips, and it's a big support again. So, you know, there's no point. I'm just gonna close the full thing. Could wait for an entry back into 950. Yeah, like a back above here for sure. Oh, I did think at one point there we were going to get it. It was when that 50-minute was pulling all the way back up. I was like, oh, yes. How amazing. But there you go. But the thing there is also being honest with yourself that it didn't work out. You know, I was wrong here. Okay, so if I was wrong here, where then should we go? Well, look, how great is this opportunity now? We've closed below and we've got such a nice zone to fill. So I'm going to take that trade. So, the one thing you got to do, right? The one thing I always actually preach this is, if you've taken a loss, right? So if you really think gold's going to be a buy and you took a buy here, right, and you've lost it, please, for the love of Jesus, do not take buys here, here, here. You're going to lose every time, okay? I used to do that when I was younger so many times. I don't know why, because then I'd lose like 4 trades in a row just trying to take these fucking buys over there. So kind of using that knowledge and doing the inverse is going to help me, right? Because I'm going to make some trades. So I knew that I was wrong here. You know, I fucked up. I thought it was nice though because it could hold it like here and continue back bullish. The daily has no top wick, so it could be nice. It didn't work out. So now I'm like, right, well, we've closed below. I'm wrong. Therefore, we should take some sells to continue down over here. And that's what I did.
Which the other thing is though, it's not to just go, oh, my buys were incorrect, take sells. It's because it was a clean zone.
Oh yeah,
I think is what that made this a great trade. And so it was like and your stops were in a good place on the buys. So it's like if you were invalid on the buys, then it made sense to take sells.
Yeah, exactly. So yeah, been a pretty aggro day, which is nice. We've got a where is it? Where have I moved it again? I need to update my sheets over here. Do you trade? What was that? What was that question? Do you trade both sessions? Yes, I trade NY as well. I trade NY privately. It's plus 0.57 for me. Didn't check the first trade and closed 50% in the second. Nice. That's not bad, Fahad. Not bad, not bad. I'm pissed off Finny couldn't get in over here. But anyway, let's just take a look here. Do you swing trade? Well, that there is what I would say a swing trade for me looks like. You know, getting in at a nice level of support, holding your stop, not really managing risk, and waiting until price can continue to the highs. So yeah, that's what I would do for swing trade. I don't do anything higher time frame like that really. So yeah, was that your dog? Yeah, that was my dog. Let's take a look here. Yeah, you shouldn't have closed early on the last one, but you know you're learning that. You know why shouldn't you have closed early? Because the zone was clean. The zone was clean, so it's going to move nicely in here. 101 likes, 230 people in here. Amazing work. Let's take a look. So what RR was that? This RR for me was 2-1, and this one over here would have been I probably would have taken off first positions. I got in like here. I probably would have taken off first positions at them high. So that would have been a... wait, I must have gone in a bit higher. 1 second. I got in like here. Yeah, so that would have been about a 1.5 to 1. So yeah. Hey bro, I'm new here. With the sell you took, were you not worried about no bottom wick? Do you mean there? There was a little bit of a bottom wick, but no. For me, it was mainly the amount of strength in the candle for me, and the closure below such a strong level. It's gonna continue down after that. So yeah. I swear I saw a question. I was gonna do something. What was it? So yeah, GJ is very, very hard because there's just so many resistance points, so be careful with that. Is that Ferrari yours? Ah, no, that's my dad's. So how much risk per trade and how much per day and how much your daily target? I don't have a daily target because every day is different. I risk 1.4% on GJ and 1.2% on gold. So today, if I check, I am up 0.3 or 4% after them 2 trades. So yeah. I'm getting so many DMs about this top wick.
Mr. Raja.
Milan, bro, you not see that candle, you pussy boy.
You were.
Roger gets in halfway through a candle. I got in at the start, man. But then to be honest with you, that probably is a Raja, you know, because if it turned back on me, I probably would have just closed it out. So yeah, that's probably. Mate, I'm forming into Raja. Just give it another like 6 months, and I'm just gonna be there, like
That's what I'm saying.
just popping trades. Nah, but I actually got that one because of how nice the closure is. But I'm not just gonna buy. And also look left, look how nice that is. Whereas if you look over here, a Raja trade there, it's not too nice here, is it? There's resistance there, resistance there. That's where he got in. So if you invert this, let's take a look at what that would look like. Yeah, taking a sell there is worse than me taking a sell there, because look at the zone. Look how clean that these candles are. Look at this. Let's take my line. Can you see the difference? So mine was better. So yeah, coming towards that level of support now, wicked stuff. I mean, I don't think it's going to continue any further, but if it does, where's it going to continue to? Well, just look left. The next support is probably 1943, or them wicks. 1943 would be pretty nice, I think. Look at AJ chart. I have looked great. Looks amazing. If you got in here, well done. If you didn't, sucks to be you. I think there would be nice. Ooh, 16 pips to... Oh, no, I have to do that like that, yeah. That's what I was looking for, GJ, man. But let's take a look at the 4 hour. Oh, the last 4 hours bullish as well. Damn, that was nice. Wait, Milan, are you holding this on still?
No. I closed it at 11 pips.
Nice.
But what's that? What? EJ. I enter EJ, not AJ. EJ.
EJ.
Euro JPY, not AUD JPY.
On gold, if next... Nah, I think now you just gotta wait for this. Cause look now, look how strong the 4 hour is. Yeah, I like it when it's weak, and like that's where we were getting in here, where it was weak and it was right at daily support. So now it's way too bearish. Way too bearish right now. Yeah, I think there's more chances to come down really to 1940, to be honest. Should be the big target. Someone's asking, Milan, how far you think EJ going tonight?
I have no idea.
Oh, is it just right at the high in it? You're just guessing.
I just took 11 pips and I'm satisfied.
Yeah.
But now still looks alright. For 1 hour also flipped. Break the previous high. 1 hour. Still looking good.
Yeah.
EJ, not AJ.
Yeah. And there we go, look. So looking like GJ's came up, but look at GJ as a whole, right? Look at it.
Yeah, but all depends on gold. All depends on gold.
Yeah.
If gold goes down, the other pairs go up.
Well, look at GJ here though, right? Look at the zones, as I said before. Look, the resistance. There's resistance here, here. So if you're taking a trade like here, don't you think you're gonna have a little bit of struggle to continue? Yes, of course you are, because the zone's crap. So that's why taking trades with GJ here is gonna be pretty garbage. It's gonna annoy you. So just leave it alone, man. I need to remember to do, when I do the signals, giving like 5 minutes warning. Did I do that before? No, yeah, I need to do that again. Give people some more time. Did anyone look at Naz yesterday? Was there anything there? Nazi. 3 minutes left for this candle to close. Yeah, it's right at that 30-minute support. So that was the zone. That was the quick zone. So when you see areas like this on gold, no, they're gonna fill pretty nicely. They're gonna fill pretty nicely. you can see even in them two trade ideas, my winner was smaller than my loser. Sorry, what was it? My loser was smaller than my winner. So let me just update this over here. So the first trade I took was, take a look over here. First trade I took was, oh, could you get that? It might be the TV. Oh yes, my TV's here now. I'm gonna nerd out for about 2 hours. Get in. Right, okay, sorry. I'm just nerding out. Right, 8:33. It is the 21st. Okay, took a gold. So the same setup here that I got 36 pips on, I called it the onion, even though it's like support foreman, yeah. So buy onion. So can you see when these onion plays happen out, right? For me, okay. So when we mark this up, so let's just go through this. So it was just randomly in a zone. So I'm just gonna say break of current, but it wasn't really. I need to make things better than that. Base candle on the 1530 full. Closed full at -16. So 1 second. Okay. So can you see over here, right? Let's take a look at this. When I take this move, my loser was 16 pips, and my winner that I took over here, where was it? There was 36 pips. So can you see when it plays out, the difference is big. And that was when it didn't run off like hugely. So that's why for me it's worth taking it. Sells again. Let's take a look 1 second. Go for it. I mean, what you'd probably do now is wait for a nice top wick, because we're coming into a second zone now and price hasn't like ranged here for a while. So I'd wait for this next candle to make a top wick and then drive. Maybe. I mean, let's look at the 30. Oh, it's right at 30 support. That kind of sucks. However, it still dropped down like 20 pips. So, do you know DVS? Yes, DVS. Don's my boy. Yeah, Don helped me out with all my streaming shit when I started. Well, I just kind of asked him. I was like, Don, help me here, bro. I'm fucking shit at this. He's like, I got you. Rejection on the left. Yeah, that's the only issue, isn't it? Let's take a look at the 4 hour. 4 hours should still come to 1943 though, but so because it would get into this zone where it could reject, the only thing you'd really want here is a nice top wick and then a flip. So if it gets that, maybe. If not, what percentage do you take off on your first target? It depends on the zones, depends on the stop. So for example, here on gold, I didn't take anything off until here, which was 25 pips. Why? Because the zone's nice, the zone's clean. Okay, but if it's a small zone, I'm just going to take my 10 pips for 80%, 90%. It really depends. So let me just update this next thing over here. 1 second. But yeah, guys, I would like people in YouTube to send me some more charts of trades that you've taken, because it was going to help you out a lot. Looking nice, not really much of a top wick though, so that's a bit of a shame. Let me just move this over here.
I'm off for breakfast, guys. See you in New York.
See you in New York, my man.
See you in New York, Max. Thank you very much.
See you later, brother.
Cheers, yeah.
Alright. So gold, sell. It was a breakout because it was a closure below. We got in break of current low on the 15 full, and I closed at 25. And there you go. Oh, fuck off. Other than that. So yeah, beautiful, very, very nice. So there you go. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. 173 pips for the month so far. Very nice. Yeah, looking like gold is dropping. For me now, don't be getting into sells right here. You got to get in there. If you don't get in there, leave it, because look at the wicks. That's where price rejected before. Hell no. So GJ is looking like a barcode. I would highly recommend leaving it the fuck alone until NY. So yeah, and then let's take a look. Gold, we'll see how far this pushes. Probably going to go to 1940. I mean, if you can be a hero and get some support form in there, nice. But for me, this is looking a little bit too bearish now for the day. It looks like the daily is going to continue to fill that wick and maybe continue further down. The 4 hour made some nice resistance as well. So, yeah, pretty nice. Oh, I should have held that bitch on. Anyone holding the trade on? Anyone still holding our entry? How much would you be in by now? 56 pips. Fuck. Very, very nice. You do Magic Keys giveaways this stream? Yes, probably. Okay, yeah, let's do some Magic Keys giveaways. Run up them ones, guys, and I'll pick someone for Magic Keys. Oh, nice. Send me a chart, Ronnie. I want to see. Get those ones up, guys.
Also went 10 pips. CJ also went 10 pips on 1 hour.
Nice. Get those ones up, guys. Okay, 3, 2. Okay, let me just put this here. Okay, this person. Wait, I saw it. It was Adnan. Adnan Ayub. Message me on Instagram. I'll get his name here when I can find him. There, Adnan Ayub. That's actually such a good way of doing it because it's just so random. Make sure to message me on Instagram and I'll give you some Magic Keys, boy. 112 likes, guys. Who gives them giveaways every single time, man? Run up them likes. Yeah, so very, very interesting day, you know. Look for gold, buy the support. Didn't work out and then got into the sells and made all the money back and more. So easy work to start off the day. But yeah, thank you very much, Zoom, for coming on. At 10 o'clock, we'll do the simulation session, so in half an hour. But yeah, guys, thank you very much for coming on. I'll see you guys in 30 minutes. Adios, amigos. See you later, guys. Peace out, peace out, peace out. Adios, amigos. Okay, YouTube. Watch the simulation just for the mentorship. Simulation is back testing, taking trades. So yeah. If you guys do want to join the mentorship, prices will maybe going up soon, so make sure to come and join in before the prices rise. You can do Bitcoin, all that kind of stuff. Every single signal's taken in there. Over 180 pips already in this month. So yeah, and you get all the webinars, all the Zoom access, all the webinars. So yeah, it's definitely worth it. I'll put the link here. And it's not like a term basis that you can be in for a month and then fuck off if you want. You can do whatever you want. But yeah, I'll put the link here. So if you guys do want to join that, you will not regret it. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you very much, guys. Peace out, man. Adios.